Largest part organ in the body is skin. Pacemaker of the heart is SA node. Vitamin K is essential for clotting. Normal CSF pressure 70 to 180 mm S2O. Functional unit of the kidney, nephron. Heart sound low is due to closure of Abbey valves. RBC lifespan 120 days. Respiratory center located in medulla. Largest part of the brain, cerebrum. Fluid present in joint, synovial. Hand washing minimum time 20 seconds. Best site for infant pulse, brachial. Autoclave pressure 15 IBS. Nosocomial infection means hospital accord. Color coding for sharp waist, white puncture proof. Syringe used for TB test 1 ml. Normal body temperature in 37 degrees centigrade. Oral medication avoidance in vomiting. First step of nursing process, assessment. Cold application causes vasoconstriction. Myocardial infarction due to blockage of coronary artery. Most common type of shock, hypovolemic. Diabetes insipidus main symptoms, polyuria. COPD mainly caused by smoking. Hypoglycemia blood sugar less than 70. Most common causes of peptic ulcer H. pylori, Helicobacter pylori. Fracture complication, shock. Renal stone main composition, calcium oxalate. Parkinson's disease due to lack of dopamine. Hypertension defined as BP 140/90.